Configurations are a very powerful tool in SOLIDWORKS. They can be used for a wide variety of purposes, from creating families of parts, to what-if variations, to creating simplified representations of a part. The great benefit is that configurations allow you to do any of these things, and more, all within one single part file. For example, this part has multiple configurations to show the wheel with different numbers of spokes, and a variety of different wheel diameters. This part uses configurations to show the bracket in its cast and finished states. Finally, configurations were used for a variety of different reasons in this part. There are 3 different variations of the part's material, dimensions, and there are additional features either present or missing depending on the configuration. For example, this configuration has chrome stainless steel as the material, and the center area has been hollowed out, and there are 2 mounting holes. This configuration has an ABS plastic, and there are 4 mounting holes, and the center is filled. Let me start a new part, and let's explore using configurations. First of all, you probably noticed that I was interacting with this area where the Feature Manager design tree and Property Manager reside to switch between configurations. To get to this interface, simply click on this tab here. This switches to what is known as the Configuration Manager. The Configuration Manager allows you to view, manage, and switch between the different configurations of a part. This default configuration here exists by default with every new part. To add a new configuration, simply right-click on the part icon and select Add Configuration. Let's take a moment to discuss the areas of parts that are configurable. Remember, the first example I showed of configurations was used to control the number of spokes and diameter of the wheel. Those are dimensional changes between the different configurations. So, we know dimensions are configurable. In the next example, there are features missing in the As Cast configuration that existed in the Machined configuration, such as screw holes and guide slot. So the ability to suppress features is configurable. Finally, in the connecting bar, there were 3 different types of materials for the same part, amongst other changes, so materials are configurable as well. Let's take a look at how to create the configurations in each one of these examples.